If you believe that cars today are made to last only as long as the warranty, think again. Some SUVs are built so well, engineered with so much attention to detail, they seem to outlast time itself. Today on Autopedia, we're not just running down another top 10 list. We're digging deep into reliability ratings, real-world owner stories, mechanical engineering, and why these 10 SUVs have built a global reputation for running hundreds of thousands of miles, shrugging off abuse, and turning their loyal drivers into lifelong fans. Buckle up for a journey through legendary design, bulletproof engines, and ownership you can actually pass on to the next generation. Buy once, drive forever. Let's get started. Number 10 on our list is a modern marvel that's changed more minds about the reliability of American SUVs than any other, the Chevrolet Suburban. This beast has been a staple on US roads for generations. Why? A good Suburban, especially those fitted with the tried-and-true V8, is simply unstoppable. Law enforcement fleets, armed forces, and families pushing past 250,000 miles have proven that routine maintenance is about all this truck-based SUV ever really needs. The Suburban's success comes from simplicity: classic body-on-frame structure, non-turbocharged small-block V8 engines, and widely available, if not exactly glamorous, parts. There's even a cult following for Suburbans, clocking well over 400,000 miles, still on original drivetrains. Rust may win eventually, but breakdowns are rare if you show these workhorses basic care. If you want to buy once, drive until it's a classic experience that fits your entire family, don't sleep on the Suburban. Moving to number 9, we have a Japanese contender that truly lives up to its reputation, the Honda Pilot. Year after year, owner polls and reliability surveys rank the Pilot among the least troublesome SUVs in the world. Honda's magic formula: conservative, extremely well-tested V6 powertrains, non-intrusive automatic transmissions, and electronics designed for decades, not just a warranty period. If you've ever browsed used car listings, you've seen Pilots with 220,000, 250,000, or even 300,000 miles. And they're so coveted secondhand that prices stay stubbornly high, even as the years tick by. Owners praise simple service requirements, legendary Honda build quality, and the ability to carry families or cargo on marathon trips with only basic maintenance. And should an issue arise, you're almost always dealing with something small: a starter, a sensor, or eventually a timing belt that alerts you, years in advance, that it's ready for replacement. Mechanics love these cars for their straightforward drivetrain layout too. At number 8, let's talk about a luxury SUV that never forgot its off-road roots, the Lexus GX. Sailing into Drive Forever legend on the back of its shared bloodline with the global Land Cruiser Prado, the GX combines Japanese over-engineering with plush comfort. The heart of its longevity is that nearly indestructible V8 engine, no forced induction, low-stress internals, and an old-school automatic that just works. Stories of Lexus GXs breaking 300,000 miles without any major repairs are not uncommon in enthusiast forums. The ladder-frame chassis, robust axles, and durable suspension soak up abuse, whether that's potholed city roads, endless highway hours, or actual off-road expeditions. Even the electronics are designed for the long haul. Most critical functions can be handled without a single touchscreen, because, as any reliability junkie knows, sometimes the best tech is simplicity. 7th place is a surprise to some, unless you follow owner forums or reliability journals closely. The Mazda CX-5 has steadily, quietly become one of the most reliable crossovers ever built. Mazda's choice to stick with naturally aspirated engines and classic automatics, no CVTs, no complex dual-clutch tech, means these SUVs just keep ticking. Owners regularly report breaking 200,000, even 250,000 miles, and surveys like Consumer Reports and What Car consistently rank the CX-5 at the very top for reliability, with repair costs that tend to be lower than rivals too. Japanese parts availability and affordable service add peace of mind. Inside, the materials are simple but solid, with soft-touch surfaces that resist wear and classic switchgear that rarely, if ever, fails. It's practical, stylish, fun to drive, and nearly indestructible in the long run. Next on our list, the Toyota RAV4 occupies our number 6 slot. If there's ever been a definition of set-it-and-forget-it motoring, it's the RAV4. The engineering philosophy is pure Toyota: conservative powertrains, minimal stress on components, and a global production standard that's enforced at every plant. Owners easily push these compact SUVs well past 250,000 miles. Whether you opt for an older, iron block model or the highly efficient modern hybrids, you're looking at an ownership experience where unplanned shop visits are almost unheard of. Even hybrid batteries regularly outlast the warranty. Average maintenance is a breeze. Just oil, filters, and brakes. Even in harsher climates, corrosion resistance is strong, and Toyota's legendary parts network means whatever minor repair you ever do need will never keep you off the road for long. In fifth, let's revisit a true titan of reliability and off-road toughness, the Toyota 4Runner. The 4Runner is a living legend not just in North America, but around the world, particularly among those who use their vehicles where breakdowns can be deadly. Built on an honest-to-goodness body-on-frame truck chassis, the 4Runner has some of the world's most robust off-road hardware. Its 4.0-liter V6 is so lightly stressed that even the harshest environments barely faze it. From sub-Saharan Africa to the Arctic Circle, 4Runners deliver mail, carry explorers, and survive punishments that would kill a lesser SUV. You'll regularly see reports of 4Runners breezing past 350,000 miles. The ownership costs are shockingly low, and the model holds its value more stubbornly than almost anything else on four wheels. Now let's get even tougher. In the number 4 spot is arguably the world's most enduring luxury SUV, a vehicle so respected in reliability circles, it's become the benchmark for drive forever status, the Lexus RX. This midsize crossover takes the bulletproof architecture of the Toyota Highlander, ramps up the luxury, and delivers an experience where, in many cases, nothing of substance ever seems to fail. The RX's V6 engine is the stuff of engineering legend. There are stories of early 2000s RXs still serving as daily drivers today, on original engines and transmissions, with owners reporting almost laughably low repair costs over 10+ years. The highest compliment? Lexus RXs are so trusted that owners often pass them down to family, confident they'll rack up another decade of service with only basic care. Thus, we close on the top 3. SUVs treated with almost mythical reverence by reliability connoisseurs. Third place belongs to the Honda CR-V, the ultimate forever car for practical, sensible buyers. Since the late 1990s, Honda has refined the CR-V formula to near perfection. Its simple engines, bomb-proof transmissions, and gently evolving platform mean every generation comes standard with worry-free ownership. Rarely do CR-Vs break down unexpectedly. Owners log hundreds of thousands of miles, simply swapping tires, brake pads, and belts. CR-Vs still on the road from 2 decades ago are proof that slow and steady engineering, paired with an unwillingness to chase fads, builds true longevity. Honda's "if it isn't broken, don't fix it" mindset means a used CR-V might outlast 2 or 3 turbocharged, touchscreen-heavy competitors. Our runner-up, the number 2 SUV you buy once and almost never repair, is legendary on multiple continents, the Toyota Land Cruiser. Land Cruisers built a reputation in the world's harshest environments, the Middle East, Sub-Saharan Africa, Australia, surviving heat, dust, inconsistent maintenance, and fuel of questionable quality. Why? Because Toyota engineered the Land Cruiser to absurd standards. Chassis frames you could, supposedly winch from a canyon, straight 6 or V8 engines with massive oil capacities running well below their maximum stress, and electronics kept simple by modern standards. Tales of Land Cruisers running 500,000 miles, requiring only the most basic maintenance, are legion. And on the rare occasion something breaks, a global service parts network means a fix is likely only a phone call away. For many, the Land Cruiser isn't just a car, it's a symbol of trust. But our number 1, the undisputed king of drive forever reliability, is another Toyota legend, the Lexus LX. Sharing not just engineering but manufacturing lineage with the Land Cruiser, the LX takes everything that's great about its Toyota sibling: stout body-on-frame design, under-stressed naturally aspirated engines, bulletproof transmissions, and adds layers of luxury, comfort, and soundproofing. The result? For over 20 years, LX owners have reported vehicles regularly approaching and surpassing 400,000 or even 100,000 miles. Maintenance is straightforward. Major failures are so rare they're newsworthy, and even aging first-gen LXs command premium prices in the second-hand market. It's the ultimate buy once, drive for life luxury SUV. And there you have it, 10 SUVs that almost feel like they're built to last forever. If you were ever tempted by the latest gadget-packed turbocharged marvel but want true peace of mind, these models are the survivors. Time-tested, universally respected, and beloved by families, fleets, explorers, and experts alike. When you buy one of these, you don't just get reliable transportation. You join a club whose members know what it means to never worry about a breakdown, to build memories year after year, decade after decade. So tell us, did your favorite forever SUV make the list? Have you had an ownership experience that confirms or even challenges these legends? Share your stories in the comments. Subscribe to Autopedia for even more no-nonsense automotive deep dives. And remember, a reliable SUV isn't just a car. It's an investment in adventure, security, and a lifetime of worry-free driving.